Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to file a BOI report for an LLC. So let's come into it. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we know what a BOI report is. So a BOI report is a document that LLCs are required to file with the state government. An LLC is a limited liability company. Now this report typically includes information about the LLC ownership, management, as well as the address. It helps maintain accurate records and transparency about the company's culture. So how exactly does a BOI reporting work? So determine your filing requirements. Check with your state's Secretary of State's office to find out where the report is due and when it is due. Gathering information. Collecting details such as the LLC's name, address, members, managers, as well as all the other changes since the last report. Completing the form. Filling out the BOI report form accurately and thoroughly is something that will help you get your reporting done properly. Submitting the report. Now all you need to do is file the report online or by mail along with any required fees. So you may be wondering, if you're not submitting your BOI report, are there any penalties? Well, yes, there can be penalties for failing to file your report. These penalties may include late fees, loss of good standing status, or even administrative dissolution of your LLC. It's crucial to adhere to filing deadlines to avoid these consequences and maintain compliance with state regulations. Now, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you next time. Peace.